Welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about SwiftUI label tutorial. How to use how to use how to use label in SwiftUI, latest SwiftUI. How to create and use label in SwiftUI. The latest is label in SwiftUI. So firstly, we're gonna create a SwiftUI view. Command N and SwiftUI view select on this SwiftUI view, and suppose this is name of this label in SwiftUI, which have a UI view name. Label in SwiftUI. We're gonna click on this label view SwiftUI. We're gonna resume on this SwiftUI view. This is the hello world, and this is the not. You zoom on this hello world. Okay. So, we're gonna today I'm going to discuss about label in SwiftUI. Label is user interface item in SwiftUI. Label is user interface item in SwiftUI, which enables you to display a combination of an image icon, which which enable you to display a combination of an image icon, suppose icon as a symbol or others, and a text label in a single UI element. This tutorial show you how to create and use label in SwiftUI. So first of all, we're gonna create on this label. Suppose we have in title and icon. This is a binding on this property in title system image on this localized and system image. We can use of icon. Suppose this is a icon is SwiftUI book. SwiftUI book, and this is the system image name is book.fill. So we can use of SwiftUI book and book.fill. We're gonna create on this SwiftUI book.fill, and we can apply this font on this label. We're gonna apply this font on this label. We're gonna apply this font on this label. Suppose we have font on this label, and we can set on this properties and another one. Suppose dot label style. Suppose we shall apply on this title only label style. So only title requirement on this UI. So dot title only label style. Suppose we want to apply the title only label style, only title, and suppose we have change on this title only label style, which have change on this title only label style. This is the use of name. So this is done on this statement. Title on this label, we can apply this. Suppose icon only label style, we're going to apply on this icon only label. This is the icon show on this, not show on this title, not show on this title. We can modify our code on this UI label, label in SwiftUI, and we're going to apply this font on this label. Suppose we have not apply on this label style dot font dot title. Suppose we're going to apply this font title. This is a large font on this title, and we can set on this background foreground color dot foreground color. Color dot, suppose we have apply on this red color. Suppose we have apply on this green color. Apply on this green color. So this is apply on this green color. We can resume on this 150% zoom on this. If we can apply this, suppose yellow color, apply this color. So yellow color on this SwiftUI view. We can zoom is not okay, and we're gonna apply this for, suppose we have red color books and SwiftUI, and use a safe place in image. This is a safe place. Suppose we have not label, which have another initializer label. This is the icon, title and icon. Suppose title is SwiftUI. Title is SwiftUI, and this is the icon image. Suppose this icon image, not use of icon image. Suppose this is a capsule shape. Suppose we have capsule set and dot frame on the capsule frame. We're gonna apply this frame on the capsule shape dot frame. We're gonna apply this frame on this capsule shape. We can check on this height, and suppose width is 50 and height is 100. We're gonna set on this, not remove this alignment. So we're gonna set on this property. This is the use of capsule shape on. This is use of capsule shape on. This is the use of capsule shape on SwiftUI view, and we can remove this label, and we're gonna apply on this other properties. Suppose which have we're gonna use of other properties. Fully customize SwiftUI labels. In order to fully customize a label or to create brand new label style, brand new label. Suppose my label style, you will need to implement the label style protocol. Suppose label and we can accessibility on this label. This is the SwiftUI view, SwiftUI book, and we can set on the system image dot comma system image, which is type of book dot fill. Set on this book dot fill image on this UI. So we can use it customize another structure. Suppose we're gonna create on this, create a new my custom label style structure adopting to label style, and other we're gonna create on this. Suppose we're gonna create another structure. We're gonna apply this yellow background label, yellow background on this SwiftUI books, and we're gonna create this structure. Suppose we have a structure name yellow background label. Suppose it's a yellow background. Suppose we can apply this green background. We're gonna apply the green background structure, and we're gonna confirm of label style protocol, and we can implement on this method label style protocol make body. This is we're gonna implement fixed method on this make body. On the make body, this is a configuration. So we can suppose we have use of configuration. So this is our label assign on this configuration, and configuration this is the label on this confirm dot padding, and dot we're gonna apply this background color. Suppose green color, background color. We can resume on this code. We're going to apply this label style, and suppose we have structure name green background, calling on this our structure name. Suppose we have to apply this green background. This is a green background view. SwiftUI book, green background. This is a label customizing system on this SwiftUI. Suppose green background create on this our custom create background, custom create green background. And we're gonna create on this another. Suppose we have gonna create on this corner radius apply. We're gonna apply this corner radius dot corner radius. Suppose we have an apply on this 4.0. Can resume on this project. We're gonna apply this corner radius 4.0. We're gonna apply this corner radius. Suppose we have applied this 4.0. Suppose it's 10.0 corner radius. So we're gonna apply on this corner radius 10.0. This is apply on this corner radius. This is our style on this corner radius. Suppose we have style on this button, so we can use of label. So this is we can use of label. Suppose we're gonna create this another structure. We're gonna create on this another vertical. This is the alignment on this vertical. We're gonna create on this structure. Vertical we can use of SwiftUI tutorial vertical. Create a vertical SwiftUI label. Finally, let's explore how to rearrange the element of the label to make it stack them up vertically. Make a stack of them vertically set on this label. So we're gonna create on this structure. structure, and we're gonna create on this structure. So this is a label vertical, which have structure. We're gonna confirm on this label style, confirm the protocol. Label style, this is a protocol. We're gonna calling on this make body function. This is a configuration. We're gonna create on the vstack. We're gonna set on this vstack and configuration. Configuration, this is a label. Configuration dot, suppose we can set with icon, and configuration dot title. This is the title, which have two property only accessible to. This we're gonna apply on this, suppose vertical label style. Vertical label vertical. We can call it our create on label vertical. We're gonna apply on this label. We can resume on this app. So this is a label on this image, and you vertical assign on this image. For this is a vertical assign on this image. So we can use of label. Thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy your label tutorial. So thank you for watching this video. We can run on this project. We can run on this content view. Project name, and this is the label content view. This is a label. Label in SwiftUI. Label in SwiftUI, our project view name. We're gonna initial view, control this and initial view. We can set on this vertical, run on this our cases on this view. So running on this state view, we can run on this SwiftUI book and book our vertical label. So thank you for watching this video. We can use the label.